Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the WolfOne, and it is going to be a dog leash. And I have a dog. So let's check this thing out and see how it is. Wow, it's heavy duty. This would be for a nice, oh, it's got a little bunch to a little bunginess to it too, which is kind of nice. Got a little loop here, so it can make it easier to hold or whatever. So nice. Let's try it out on this little guy here. So there we go. So this is a leash. It looks like it's going to be about, I don't know, 6 feet long. So now we got a little leash on our little puppy. So a little big leash, little puppy. So, but it seems nice, and it's got this little leather thing here, so you can wrap it around your wrist here, or if you have one of those belt straps, you could probably hook it onto that or whatever. So really nice, and it's going to be super heavy duty, so I'm not worried about anything happening. So definitely a thumbs up. Very nice. Nice one here, and it's got a little bungee, a little stretch to it, so that's kind of nice. So when she pulls on it, she won't hurt herself, little baby. So I like this one. It's by WolfOne, and nice leash. Thumbs up.